Hello guys, today I'll show you how to change the color of objects in the Photoshop. When I open the Photoshop, then I wanna drag this object to the Photoshop. So I wanna change the color red here to black. How to change? So I scroll, zoom out a bit, a little bit, Control Alt and scroll. See. And then you type Control U. So when you click Control U, it will appear like this. Then here you set it to any you want, blue or green or yellow, any you want. So I want to be yellow. And then you click on this on the red, and then you change this. See, you can change to any you want. Yeah, it's already black. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, nice. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.